you. I've always wanted one. I said, well, I'm gonna just do it.
I look for used ones. And I found a few of them, but they said you're gonna have rebuild anyway.
Right.
And so I figured, you know what? When she gave me permission, I figured, you know, the floor shop, they're probably the best out there. I called them up, told them what I wanted. They asked me probably about some 7 different questions. And 6 weeks later, 3 big boxes showed up at my door. And then plus 2, then they determine, they know what the ratio would be with everything I would get my boost. And they even want to know about the runners. Small portable.
Pretty good, and you?
All right.
That's a car you don't have to wash.
No, not at all.
this open? Yeah.
What's up there, John?
Okay, I don't know how much you can hear me down below, but we'll try to get this out over the air. I have something for Dana M. Petrushek. Dana M. Petrushek. You were down by we found it down by the beer tent. So if you were down there, we'll have to come up. See Captain Dave up here at the car show right now. I have something for you. You were down by the deer tent, and I think you lost something. Dana M. Petrushek. Z-A-K. R-A-J. S-E-K. Sorry if I'm mispronouncing your name. So Dana, if you're here,
It's the ram. Yeah, I see that. Can he see you? Yeah, they can see you now.
D-A-K
I'll do it.
This one.
One of them was a Galaxy.
I'm a huge fan of the back of Jack.
Why did you get that?
Sweet Nothings will be starting right around at 1 o'clock. Food vendors are open, beer is available down there, beer garden is open.
You know, those rooms at
And just
Buffalo.
to tell you some of the fine sponsors that help us out every year, I did do this only one time today over here. Please, if you patronize these sponsors or you see them, tell them you heard their name mentioned at Streetsboro Family Days. They help us present this every year. All Seasons RV, American Legion Post 685, Buckeye Energy Brokers, Buyers Concession, Coast One Mortgage, Caldwell Banker Schmidt Realty, Comfort Inn and Suites, Family and Community Services, Gateway Recovery and Towing. And by the way, if you want to smash a car, down there at Gateway Recovery and Towing, down there at the lower end, they brought a new car in this morning. So they got another car down there to smash them up today. You can go down there and get 12 hits for $5, 25 hits for $10. And that's down there at the lower end. So if you feel like taking out some frustrations today, you can go down there. And Gateway Recovery is down there, fine folks down there, and they'll set you up. Great Lakes Veterinary Specialist.